In a strong move, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has expressed serious concerns over the proposed Malayalam language bill in Kerala. The bill seeks to make Malayalam the compulsory first language in Kannada medium schools in border districts like Kasaragod. CM Siddaramaiah warned that forcing a single language risked undermining the identity, dignity, and educational opportunities of linguistic minorities. He emphasized that India's strength lies in plurality without fear, and that legislation must uphold not just legality but the constitutional morality as well. Karnataka has stated that it will oppose the bill using every constitutional right available, defending the plural spirit of the Republic. The CM called for dialogue and wisdom to ensure that every language in India continues to flourish freely.